So it was Wednesday for you guys, right? We did 5.4, which was also adding and subtracting rational expressions with unlike denominators. Today we're going to take it one step further, and we're going to be looking at unlike denominators that are binomials. What does binomial mean? 2. On Wednesday we only looked at denominators with monomials. Okay, so we do have some steps we have to write down first. They're similar to the last one, but there's a little bit of a variation here. So step 1, we need to multiply by the lowest common denominator, or LCD, and reduce to get rid of the fractions. So we're going to completely get rid of the fractions this time. Step 2, we're going to distribute and combine like terms. And step 3, we are going to simplify. Example 1. So we have 3 over x plus 4 plus 4 over x plus 8. Does anyone have a guess as to what the LCD will be? Brandon? 8? No.
3.
Not 4.
24.
Ashley? No. Not the GCF, guys. What's the lowest common denominator? Not quite. You're getting there. No. Julia? No.
X plus 4.
Okay. The lowest... Okay. Can x plus 4 divide into x plus 8? No. Can x plus 8 divide into x plus 4? No. So our LCD here, I'm going to write off to the side. Our LCD is going to be x plus 4 times x plus 8. Okay? So we multiply the two denominators, and that's going to give us our least common denominator. Okay? So, step 1 is we're going to multiply by the LCD to get rid of the fraction. So what we're going to do here is we're going to multiply this guy by x plus 4 times x plus 8. And we're going to multiply this guy by x plus 4 times x plus 8. Okay? Watch how nice what happens here. In this first fraction, I have an x plus 4 on the bottom and an x plus 4 on the top. So what's going to happen to those? Those are going to cancel. So the left-hand side is going to become 3 times what? X plus 8. Okay, plus, that sign in the middle is plus. What's going to happen on this one? The x plus 8s are going to cancel. So what's in the numerator here? 4 times x plus 4. Look, the fractions are gone. Isn't that awesome? We don't like fractions anyway. We want them gone. Okay? So, step 2, we want to distribute and combine like terms. So let's do distributive property on both of these. They're not fractions anymore. The fractions cancel. This is called canceling the fraction. You're going to use this all the way into Algebra 2. So this is a good thing to practice now and make sure that you master it. Okay? So I'm going to come back up here because I ran out of room. 3 times x gives me 3x. 3 times positive 8 plus 24. 4 times x, positive 4x. And 4 times 4, positive 16. I combine like terms. So I have 3x and 4x. What does that give me? 7x. 24 plus 16 plus 40. And that's your answer. So when we have binomials in our denominators, if we multiply those together to make our LCD, they're always going to cancel. So if we ever have a binomial, let's multiply them for our LCD and then they will cancel. Always. Okay? Let's try another one. Example 2. Nine over m plus 2 plus 8 over m minus 7. What will my LCD be here? Alyssa. M plus 2 times m minus 7. Okay, so let's multiply each one by that. So we have m plus 2 times m minus 7 here, and m plus 2 times m minus 7 on that one. Okay, looking at the left fraction, what cancels? M plus 2's. So we are left with 9 times m minus 7 plus, that sign in the middle is plus. What cancels on the right side? M minus 7. So that's going to be plus 8 times m plus 2. Okay, what's my next step? Very good, distribute. So let's distribute the 9 and distribute the positive 8. 9 times m, 9m. 9 times negative 7, negative 63. Yeah. 8 times m plus 8m. And 8 times 2 plus 16. So far so good? Okay. Very good. And then we combine the like terms. So we have 9m plus 8m. What does that give me?
47.
Plus 17m negative 63 plus 16 minus 47. Okay, so example 3. A over a plus 3 plus 4 over a plus 5. What's the LCD here?
A plus 3 times
A plus 3, A plus
Yep. A plus 5.
5.
Yep. So we multiplied both fractions by a plus 3 times a plus 5. And then on this left-hand side, what cancels? The a plus 3. So what are we left with? A times a plus 5. On the right-hand side, what cancels there? The a plus 5. So we're left with plus 4 times a plus 3. Good. Then I distribute. Okay, a times a gives me
A squared.
a squared. A times 5?
5.
5a. 4 times a? 4a. And 4 times 3?
11.
Plus 12. 12.
18.
Okay, so let's combine like terms here. A squared, there's no like terms for that one. So we have 5a plus 4a. So we get a squared plus 9a plus 12. And that's your answer. Okay guys, so really quickly, I multiply both sides by what?
S plus 3 and S times
S plus 3 times S plus 7.
That one looks like 5.
That's not how I do my 5s. Okay, what cancels? No. On the left-hand side, what cancels? S plus 3 and S plus 3, right? So we are left with 5 times
S plus 7.
7. Okay, plus, what cancels here?
The S
S plus
plus 7.
7, so S times S plus 3. Good. Okay. Everybody got this far, right? Then what? Then you distribute. Are you Daffy Duck now? 5 times S gives me 5S plus 35 plus 3S. Okay, and then let's combine like terms.
S2 goes front.
Hold on. Okay, so then we combine like terms, but I also need to put everything in order from biggest to smallest. So what's going to come first?
Squared.
S squared.
Plus 8, 7.
5S plus 3S gives me plus 8S
Plus 35.
plus 35. Good. Okay, guys.